What's up guys, welcome back to Diving Garage. And today I'm going to show you how to add bigger jets to your carburetor, add more fuel to your fire. Let's dive in. Alrighty, if you're new to the channel, I just built this 350 small block Chevy and all those videos I'll put down in the description below. There's a whole playlist with that build. And so now what we're going to do is I'm going to zip off the air horn to that carburetor and we'll get down to the bowls and the jets. I'll show you. Alright, and taking this air horn off is pretty easy. The screws on the perimeter here. And I actually just did a in-depth carburetor cleaning video. You clean your carburetor for $6, so I'll also put that down in the description. Pretty easy, I'll zip those out. Alrighty, got those screws out. And the other pins over here that hold all these other linkages in. Let's go ahead and lift this up. Alrighty, I'm just going to flip this on its head and set it aside. Okay, so looks great in here, man. No debris in the bowls. Nice clean fuel. Man, this looks awesome. Alright, so what we're going for are these little guys right there. That's your jet. There's one on each side on this edelbrock for the primaries, and then back here for the secondaries. Right there. There's two. So what we're going to do is I'm going to get the primary jets, move those to the secondary jets, and we're going to get our new jets and put them here. And all you got to do there is just get a flathead screwdriver. I'll go and get them out. And all you got to do is get your screwdriver on there, crack her loose, and just spin it out. No problem. There you go. Then I'll get my pick, get down in there and pull it out. And here it is. There it is. It's your stock metering jet for this AVS2 1906. I'll get the rest out and put these in the secondaries and we'll grab the new ones. Alrighty, we've changed the locations as you can see. I went to go to get the secondary jet out. Things escalated very quickly. So if you look down there, look at that. What happened? That jet and also that secondary jet immediately destroyed themselves when I tried to unscrew them. So I'm going to figure this out and then we'll get back to replacing the jets. Here we go. Alright, well that was fun. I did end up getting a body of the old jet out. You can see it here. And in the carb body, it's good to go. What I ended up doing was slowly I snuck up on the 1/4 inch drill bit, and you can see the assortment of tools I got out here. Even got the Dremel out to get some of the top material off. But everything looks good. I was able to get a jet in there nice, so I need to take this probably all the way apart again. I made a huge mess, and we'll get that cleaned up, and then we'll continue on. That was fun. So if this happens to you, now you know. Sneak up on the 1/4 inch drill bit, take your time, but it can be done. Alright, and we're back. It's the next day. I went ahead and put the car back, got everything reconnected, put a bigger filter on there too. I just had my test filter before. So I'm gonna go in the truck, make sure we got no fuel leaks, and then let's try to fire this thing up. Alright. Engage. Fuel pump. Alright, let's go check for leaks. Let's see, what do we got? Looks good. Cool. Alright, so I'm gonna give that a quick set, get the air out of the system, and then I'm gonna start cranking on it, see if we can get this thing fired back up. Alright, give it a couple shots down there. And let's see. Hey, there we go, right away. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna let it warm up a bit, and I'll bring you back once it's got some heat in it. Alright, how we doing? Little oil pressure, still warming up, good voltage. There's some gas in there, that's fine. See if it's increased responsiveness a little bit. There we go, here we go. Alright, it's revving up a little faster. Before, I'd have to really punch it to get it to rev. Now just a little touch, There you go, a little bit of big punch. There we go, there we go. Let's give her a listen. Tank is sounding good. We'll check the front. How we doing up here? I'm pretty sure I fixed that oil leak off this valve cover. I ended up going with some steel core rubber gaskets. I think that did the trick. I haven't seen any leaks yet. All right, sounding good, nice and responsive. Great. So in case you're wondering, why did I go through all that trouble? It's because of this little guy right here, right? So this is a brand new spark plug, not one that just came out of there. And the spark plugs, this is where it'll tell you how your engine's actually running, right? So on the strap, you see right here, that's how you know your timing. So you want it to be maybe about where the bend is, and that'll give you an indication you got enough timing in there. And then if it's oil fouled, you'll see it around here. But what you're really looking for is a rich, lean mixture. So you see that porcelain down there? It shouldn't be clear white like this. Once you run a spark plug, and if it's clear white or pure white like that, that's how you know you're lean. And that's exactly what my spark plugs look like. They were super clean. If it's a little tan, that's okay. But what you're really looking for is a little bit of black, a little bit of carbon, maybe less than halfway up. That's when you know you got a good mix. So what I'm gonna do is I just rev the mess out of this thing. I'm actually gonna pull these spark plugs, take a look at them, and then see where we go from there. And I don't know if that was enough, or do we need to go one step up, or if we need just a bigger carb. Right there, that's just a 650 Edelbrock ABS2, but we'll see. All right guys, wasn't exactly easy, but we got it done. Engine seems to be running a little happier now. I'll take a read on the spark plugs like I mentioned, take it out for a rip, see how it does. But hey, if you liked the video, consider subscribing. As always, I appreciate it. Get out there and dive into your next project. See you next time. Well, just got back from a test drive. Check this out. Well, I guess I know what we're doing next. I don't know if a wheel bearing blew or what. We gotta figure that out.